Morning, Kathy. Philip, thank you so much for the privilege to come out here, take a look at some of your exterior maintenance needs. My name is Eddie, owner operator of Multi-Man Services out of Beloit, Wisconsin. So as you can see, we use video to more effectively communicate with our customers before, during, and after service. You guys are busy. You just so happen to call the right company. This is exactly what we specialize in. We have a gentle detergent brushing, citrus-based acid technique to get all that washed off in a way that doesn't use high pressure. It doesn't use unsafe, damaging chemicals. Trust me, because I've used them in the past, and we've etched a lot of glass using the wrong chemicals. But we've got it down to a science. So your bid down below, I'm going to include a couple of different washing options depending on what you want to tackle, depending on the time of year. What I'll do is get your gutters all cleaned out and assessed. We're going to video, photo, document every single entire building, just like you noticed with the other photo clickable web link that we gave you earlier. So you'll know exactly what's going on every building based on the photos that we document. That's our standard operating procedure. So, and then what I'll also do is I'll give you like a seasonal front entryway wash. That way, as you guys are coming and going throughout the rest of the winter season, you don't have to look at all this dirty siding. And then maybe we'll do more of a detailed, intense clean in getting the garage and other sprinkler calcium efflorescence rust staining removed. Of course, after you get all that sprinkler head stuff fixed, then we can come by and fix all that. But I'd love to have you enjoy a new washed house. So I'm going to create a couple of different bundles. Look down below, make sure that the options best meet your needs. Our crew is ready to get to work for you as soon as you are. We look forward to helping you out at a high level, just like we have all of our 5-star review customers, almost up to 400 now. We've been at this since 2012, and so this is our passion. This is what we're excited about, and look forward to helping you out. Thank you.